Hi students, let us start with chapter 26, Coordinate Geometry. What is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics in which a pair of two numbers called coordinates is used to represent the position of a point with respect to two mutually perpendicular number lines called coordinate axes. So, coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics in which a pair of two numbers called coordinates is used to represent the position of a point with respect to two mutually perpendicular number lines called coordinate axes. So, the location of points come under the heading coordinates and the relation with respect to different figures come under the heading geometry. Okay. So, the name is coordinate geometry. So, let us come to the next one, dependent and independent variable. What are dependent and independent variable? Okay, dependent and independent variables. What are those? The linear equation is a form 3x plus 4y equal to 5 or x minus 3y equal to plus 8 is equal to 0. We have these terms xy, right? So here in this cases you know clearly that x and y are the variables. No doubts in that, right? X and y are the variables. So if a linear equation in x and y is expressed with y as the subject of the formula, y is called the dependent variable. For example, if you have an equation like this, y is equal to 3x minus 6, in this case you call y as the dependent variable. What is the reason? As x varies, the value of y changes, right? So y is dependent on x. Hope it's clear to you. So by chance if I have it like this, x is equal to 5y plus 7, then x will be my dependent variable and y is my independent variable. Hope it's clear, children. So these are the two concepts we'll come across in coordinate geometry. So next, coming to the ordered pairs. Next heading is ordered pairs. What are ordered pair? An ordered pair means a pair of two objects taken in specific order. In relation to coordinate geometry, an ordered pair means a pair of two numbers in which the order is important and necessary. So this will be of this form, xy. This is called as the ordered pair. This is what we explained in the beginning about the coordinate geometry also, that a pair of two numbers. Okay, this is the pair of two numbers, this is called as the first component and y is called as the second component. Okay. Now coming to the Cartesian plane. What is Cartesian plane? So in the beginning itself I have explained you coordinate geometry is branch with where we have two mutually perpendicular number lines, right? Coming to that only, this will be a number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 it goes. This is x-axis and this comes as the y-axis. So a Cartesian plane, what is a Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane consists of two mutually perpendicular number lines intersecting each other at 0. This is the Cartesian plane. Okay, so you can call as y, y dash. Here again it will be negative 1, 2, 3. Here positive 1, 2, 3 it goes. So x and x dash. So you get x dash or x and y dash or y or y dash. Okay, the point of intersection is called as the origin O, and y or y dash will be a y-axis and x or x dash will be a x-axis. Now coming to the next point, coordinates of points. Coordinates of points. The position of each in the coordinate plane is determined by means of an ordered pair with reference to the coordinate axis as stated. So the position of the point with reference to coordinate axis, as I mentioned, this will be the way, right? So the first term is called. So coming to exercise 26a, let me come up with the first question. For each equation given below, name the dependent and independent variable. It's very easy. So you have y is equal to 4 by 3x minus 7. So you clearly know y is dependent and x is independent, right? Similar way you can complete the first main for sure. It's easy to find out the dependent and independent variable. Let me directly go to the second main. Plot the following points in the same graph. So plotting the points on the graph. So let me come to the graph. So here I have come up with the x-axis and the y-axis. So let me mark the points. 0, you need to do it in the graph sheet itself. Okay, I am doing it on a plain paper. You need to do it on the graph sheet itself. So x dash, y dash. So you have 0. This comes as, I can take it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have just marked the points at equal distance. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Okay. So here the first point you need to mark. You need to plot how to plot it. Okay, I'll teach you how to plot it. So you need to mark 8, 7. So you need positive 8 also. So let me mark 8 also here. Okay, 8. So 8, 7 you need. Let me extend this little more. You need 7 also. Okay. So if it's 8, 7, where will it go? From the x-axis I need to start. This is x-axis. I brought it wrong. Okay, y and y dash. Okay. From x-axis you need to start at 8. So where is y-axis? 7 here. So you mark here 8, 7. In the graph sheet you can clearly get the value. Then coming to next point, 3, 6. 3 is here. With the 3 you go up. Here you find 6. So you can mark it as 3, 6. Third one you have 0, 4. So 0 is here. So this will be a 0, 4. Next one you have 0, minus 4. 0, minus 4. Next you have 3, minus 2. So 3 is here. Next is minus 2. So you can have, this is 3, minus 2. Your point 3, minus 2. Next one is minus 2, 5. Minus 2 and 5. Minus 2 and 5. Next one you have minus 3, 0. Minus 3, 0 will be here itself. So you can write minus 3, 0. Next one 5, 0. So 5, 0 will be here itself. So you can mark it as 5, 0. Next one minus 4, minus 3. Minus 4 is here, minus 3 is here. So it will be here. Minus 4, minus 3. So this is how you plot the points on the graph. So similar way you need to plot many points on the graph. So you need to plot it this way. Okay, hope it's clear, children. Now coming to the third question. The third question you have, find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. So x minus 1, question number 1 we have x minus 1 y plus 3 equal to 4, 4. Okay. So I can separately take them like this. X minus 1 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5. Similarly, y plus 3 is also equal to 4. This will be connected to this and this will be connected to this. Y is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. Okay, so you will get x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. Coming to the second sub question, you have 3x plus 1, 2y minus 7 equal to 9 minus 9. 3x plus 1 equal to 9. 3x is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8. X is equal to 8 by 3 you will get. Similarly, 2y minus 7 is equal to minus 9. 2y equal to minus 9 plus 7. 2y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. You get the value of y as minus 1. X is 8 by 3. Similarly, the third sub question, 5x minus 3y and y minus 3x you have, that is equal to 4 minus 4. Let us see how to solve it. First equation you get 5x minus 3y is equal to 4. Second you will get y minus 3x is equal to minus 4. Equation 1, equation 2. Here we can use the equation, simultaneous equation formula, right? So I can use 1 into 3 or I can directly use equation 2 into 3. Right, so 1 I will write just like that. 1 will be 5x minus 3y equal to 4. Second one into 3, right? Second one into 3 will give you 3y minus 9x equal to minus 12. So this and this is getting cancelled when you add. So you'll get minus 4x and here you'll get that is equal to minus 8. So x is equal to minus 8 by minus 4 equal to 2. Now I can substitute, right, in the second equation. Y minus 3 into 2 equal to minus 4. Y minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 2. So you get the equation as 2. Y value of y is 2. Okay. Hope it's clear, children. Now coming to the next question, you can just go through that. Use the graph given alongside to find the coordinates of the point satisfying the given condition. So you need to see abscissa means you know it's x-axis, ordinate you know it's y-axis. So you need to see, check and find out that using the diagram. It's your work for you. Again, state true or false. That also you can do it yourself. Okay, complete it yourself. Now let me do the sixth question. Coming to the sixth question. In each of the following, find the coordinates of the point whose abscissa is the solution of the first equation, ordinate is the solution of the second equation. Okay, so let me come to that. First question you have 3 minus 2x equal to 7 and 2y plus 1 equal to 10 minus 2 1 by 2y. So the first equation let me solve. 3 minus 2x is equal to 7. 3 minus 7 is equal to 2x I get. Minus 4 is equal to 2x. X is equal to minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. Okay. Similarly, 2y plus 1 equal to 10 minus 2 1 by 2 can be written as 5 by 2y. Okay. 2y plus 5 by 2y equal to 9. So 4y plus 5y by 2 equal to 9 you get. 9y by 2 equal to 9. So I can clearly get it as y is equal to 2. Value of y will be equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2. So you got the solution for abscissa and the ordinate. Now second sub question you have 2a by 3 minus 1 equal to a by 2. That is the ordinate. So let's find that first. And this part also I'll write 15 minus 4b by 7 equal to 2b minus 1 by 3. So what do you get? 2a by 3 minus a by 2 equal to 1. 2 2s are 4a minus 3a by 6 equal to 1. A is equal to 1 into 6, that is 6. Okay. Now coming to the next question you have, I need to cross multiply here. Okay. So what do I get? 15 into 3, 45 minus 12b equal to 14b minus 7. So if I take b to the other side, 45 minus 7 plus 7 equal to 14 plus 12b, that is 26b you get. So what do you get here? 52 is equal to 26b and b is equal to 52 by 26, that is equal to 2. So you got the abscissa as 6 and ordinate as 2. Okay. So the third sub question you can do it yourself. Clear, children? Now coming to the next one. You have in each of the following coordinates of 3 vertices of a rectangle ABCD are given. By plotting the given points, find the in each case the coordinate of the fourth vertex. So I will do one problem for that. Using that, with the help of that one problem, you can complete the rest of the questions. Okay. So let me do that. Okay. So let this, consider this as my graph. Coming to this, we have the points. First sub question let me write, seventh one, first sub question I am doing. A 20, B 80 and C 84. Okay. So random value here, when you do it on graph it will be more neat and things. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, let it go on. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So just look clearly how I am plotting it. A is 2, 0. Okay. 2, 0 will be where? Here itself. A is 2, 0. B is 8, 0. 8, 0 will be again here. Right? 8, 0. C is 8, 4. 8, 4 will be where? Here. Right? C is 8, 4. Now it's told that 3 vertices are given to you. Right? 3 vertices are given to you. You need to find the fourth point. Right? To find the rectangle. So let us join these lines and see. If I join, rectangle means so the sides should be equal. So this also will move to the same length, right? Correct? This will form a rectangle here. If it's in the graph, you will get a proper straight line. So this will be my D, right? What is this point? It is 2, 4. This only we need to find out. Using this example, we can do the next question. I mean the next 2 sub questions of this. Right, children? So similar way, you will be able to do the 8th and 9th question also in your graph sheet. Okay. Now, in the same graph itself, I am going to explain the 10th question. Okay. What is given in the 10th question? By plotting, I'll just erase it. Okay. Okay. This part I'll just erase it. By plotting, what is given in the 10th question? By plotting the following points on the same graph paper, check whether they are collinear or not. What is the meaning of collinear? Collinear means it's the points on the same line. So let me check. Okay. Let's erase the other points. Okay. So what's the first point given here? 10th question I'm doing. We have 3, 5, 1, 1, 0, minus 1. So first we'll check the first one. 3, 5 will go somewhere here. Right? 3, 5. Next one you have 1, 1. It will be here. No, here. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. Next you have 0, minus 1. 0 and minus 1. 0, minus 1. Just check whether they are collinear. Try to attach these lines. Yes. If I draw it on the proper graph sheet and drawn properly, it is a points on the same line, right? Points on the same line. So they are collinear. Similarly, you can do the second sub question of it also, right? Right, children? Okay. Now, let me come to the 11th question. So I'm using the same graph sheet for that. Okay. So coming to that, what you have? Okay. 11th question. Let me write the question number here. 11th one. Okay. Here I'll write the question number. Plot the point A 5 minus 7. Okay. A 5 minus 7. Let me plot that. Minus 6 minus 7, right? A minus 7. 5 minus 7. So it will be my A, right? A 5 minus 7. I plot it. From A, draw AM perpendicular to x-axis. Where is the x-axis? You know the x-axis is here. So perpendicular to x-axis, how do you draw it? Okay, this is how you draw perpendicular to x-axis, right? Okay, AM perpendicular to x-axis. Now, and AN perpendicular to y-axis. So let us draw AN perpendicular to y-axis. Let me take my scale. AN perpendicular to y-axis. Okay. So this will be my M and this will be my N. Write the coordinates of M and N. So what will be the coordinates of M here? 5, 0. N will be minus 0, minus 7, right? Minus 7 is y-axis, 0, minus 7. Hope it's clear, children? Okay. So in the next question you have, in a square ABCD, A 3, 4, B minus 2, 4 and C minus 2, minus 1. By plotting these points on the graph sheet, find the coordinate vertex of D and find the area of the square. So in order to do this, what you need to do? Similarly, as you have done the rectangle, you need to find the D. Then area of the square, it's very easy. You need to 4 into the side. All the sides are equal. So that you can do it yourself. Okay. Similarly, 13th question, now I'll do it. Okay. So the 13th question you have, in a rectangle OABC, the point O is the origin, OA is 10 units along x-axis, AB is 8 units along y-axis. Find the coordinates of ABC. Let's see how to do it. So I'll plot one more graph for that. Okay. Okay, so here this is the origin O you have. That first point O is the origin itself they told. Then they have, so O is the origin. So let us go along AB. They told AB is 8 centimeter along the OA is 10 centimeter along x-axis. So if I take along x-axis, this will be this point, right? Okay, this will be 10 centimeter, OA. Okay, similarly AB is 8 units along y-axis. AB is 8 units. So if I have to take AB, I have to go like this, right? So it goes up AB 8 centimeters. So let me go with that. Till 8 I have to go, right? So AB is 8 centimeter. So this will be my B. So obviously I need to join this point C. So I'll get OABC. Now what do I need? Coordinates, right? So what are the coordinates here? A, clearly you get it's 10, 0, right? And B will be equal to 10, 8, right? And C is equal to 0, 8. This will be the vertices. Hope it's clear, children. So complete this exercise in your classwork. Thank you, students.